And you see here, if you will going to schedule that one, if you want to see the bar itself,
Okay.
how it goes in a sequence. Okay. Here you have schedule here. Okay. Or it's showing here, it's like schedule or F9. You
Okay.
can press the F9 or you can click it here in the schedule.
Okay.
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 Okay. See here.
For escalation work,
No. For the entire program.
Okay.
Okay. I just want to show you something.
Okay.
And after that, you can schedule it. You see?
First of, okay.
Yeah. You see the sequence?
Okay, understand.
The sequence of your bar, it's showing here.
TDP, trial bit, and okay.
You see?
Okay.
It's goes sequence.
Okay.
Okay, if you're gonna see, see.
This man, what you mean, the relation between?
Yeah.
Okay. This sequence. One after that, one after. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, understand. Okay.
Okay. And after this, okay, I'm gonna show you some quick doing all this relation. Okay. For instance, here, if you can press your shift and click from the bottom because this is sequence, right?
Okay.
So you can right click here.
Okay.
Okay. You can right click and link activities. Okay. If you do that, you see all the links comes.
Okay.
Okay. If you go back to schedule it, okay, you will see the sequence. You see. Okay. So here it means here, if you're showing here, the activity showing here is like finish to start.
We start 1 January.
Yeah. No, it means the meaning of finish to start. The moment you complete this predecessor activity,
Okay.
that will be the time for you to start the next activity.
Okay.
But here there is a selection. Yeah. If the gap of two activities, okay, is like 2 days or 3 days, so it means you can put it start to start, okay, and put it lag. It means lag is number of days.
Okay.
So for instance,
for example, here they put from 17 to 21. They put 4 days here, sir.
Okay. So you see here, it's like there is option of finish to start, finish to finish.
Okay.
Okay. And there is start to finish.
Okay.
And there is start to start.
Okay.
Here, if you are, for instance, this one, we are using 5 days. Okay. So it means you don't need to complete the 5 days. So it means there is a gap in between that. After 2 days of the TDP, you can start your what do you call this, trial feeds. So it means to start on this, okay, you have only 2 days gap.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So it means you have to adjust this one to start, okay,
Okay.
and put a lag of 2 days.
Today. Okay.
Okay. Let me show you in the bar. Okay. So you have to put it 2 days. Okay. And if you go into schedule it, okay, you will see something. You see.
Okay.
So it means the gap in between to start this and start that one, okay, it's showing 2 days. So it's compressing, right?
يعني when TDP start after 2 days you will start trial bit in the same time for the TDP.
Yes.
2
but
days.
The 2 days gap.
But 2 days from where you get 2 days? يعني from construction team.
Yeah, of course.
With coordination.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's showing that you don't need to complete the TDP works before you start your trial.
Exactly.
So it means while you're working in TDP, within 2 days, you can start your trial pits.
Also, you can start the excavation, but because you put on also 2 days here. يعني
It's depend, you know. It's, for instance, here in your excavation, for instance, like if you want to start your excavation works after 2 days or 3 days of the TDP, you can do it. Same thing. You can select here the type of the relationship by start to start and put a 3 days gap on trial pits. It's okay. It's not a big deal.
so excavation. I have an idea. Excavation start when TDP should be finished.
Of course, you have to do the trial pits.
يعني we will choose not start to start.
No, because you can do it finish to start. It's depend on the situation, you know.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Like here, after your trial pits, or you can do your after trial pits before you start your excavation. So you can say finish to start.
Okay. That's why I am asking. Okay.
And the same thing here. Pipe laying seems that you don't need to complete the entire excavation works. You see, let me show you something in the here. Here you see somewhere there, they have done the backfilling here, and here they are still doing some excavation work there and some pipe laying there. This is what I'm saying.
Okay.
So here,
It's not really sequence. You finish like that
Yeah.
and you start.
yeah,
Combination.
yes, that's exactly what I'm trying to you to
Okay.
make you
Understand.
understand.
Okay. Understand. Okay.
So here, like for instance, because our day is still not yet fixed. We're
Yes.
gonna fix this one. I'm gonna tell you later. Okay.
Because 5 days is from the Primavera. This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a setting from software.
Okay.
So we will going to in the future. We will going to calculate what is the exact requirements based on the quantity with the productivity rates and everything.
Okay.
So
After that, we will put
the accurate duration for that.
Okay. Understand. Okay.
So that's it. So for instance, I'm just trying to show you and explaining to you what is the difference between the start to start, finish to finish,
Okay.
and start finish to start.
Okay. Understand.
Okay. Here, same thing here in the pipe laying.
Okay.
Okay. We have here around like start to start.
Okay.
Okay. Let us say you can start within after 3 days of your excavation. So you can put it 3 days.
Understand. Okay.
Now here for your bedding, you don't need to complete all the geotextile before you start the bedding. So let us say within two days you can start it. Okay. Same thing here for the pipe laying. You don't need to complete all the entire line to complete the bedding before you start the pipe laying.
Okay.
So you're assuming is like you can start within after 3 days. So here it's like 3 days.
Okay.
And same with the pipe surround. What we here in surround here, you see some people are doing. They have done the surround here, and they maybe in the corner here, right here, there is something like pipe laying. Still working on the pipe laying.
Okay.
So at least you will need around 2 days to start the
Okay.
surround after the pipe laying, right?
Understand.
So you can do it start to start. Within 2 days, you can start your
Okay.
bedding, right?
Okay.
So in the back peeling, let us say same thing.
Okay.
You can do start to start and
Okay.
3 days or 4 days after that. Okay.
Okay.
So if you're going to schedule that one, okay, it's like schedule it and you see,
Okay. Look at this one.
okay.
Okay.
But for your information, but I'm gonna explain it to you later. Okay. The moment you assign start to start, you need to put also a finish to start, a finish to finish also. Because in the update, sometimes it's giving an open end in the program.
Okay.
So because in the program, in the baseline program, you are allowed only one activity open at predecessor and one activity open in successor.
Oh, okay.
It's like a network, and later on I'm going to explain it to you what is the critical path
Okay.
and where is the critical path in the program. So what is the critical path of the program itself?
Understand.
I'm going to explain it to you that later. Okay.
Okay.
So here, right here, it's same thing here. Like if you go back to that, okay, you can click the first activity right there, okay, and press the shift, okay, and do the right click and link,
Okay.
okay. So you see, if you click the if you schedule it,
Right.
okay, it's showing. See,
Okay.
so now this is the relationship with your activity. So easy, right?
Easy, but this one is not like this one. Yani you need to do like.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, the same what we have done.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So here, right here, for instance, you have 10 manholes, you have 7 manholes
Okay.
in one road. So it means you don't need to complete all the excavation work before you start the
Concrete.
blinding.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So it means like if you have done 3 manholes for excavation, you can start your blinding.
Okay. Yes.
So it means at least you need something like around 7 days or 6 days or 3 days to start from the excavation work, so you can start your blinding. Same with the manhole base, same with the wall.
Okay.
So it means you don't need to complete all the manholes in a certain road, like in road. Which road is this? 266.
Okay.
You don't need to complete all the excavation for the manholes before you start your blinding and completing all the blinding before you're going to start the base, before you're going to start the wall. No. At least the moment you complete 3 excavation of the manhole, you can start your blinding. The moment you've done the blinding for 3 manholes, you can start with the installation of the base.
Okay.
And then after that, you can start the installation of the wall.
Yes.
Within at least three manholes in a sequence.
You can cover.
Yeah.
Put the cover.
So same thing.
Okay.
So here,
Yani I understand that here you will put excavation work. Here you will put concrete building. Yes.
yeah.
Yes. And you will do the same thing.
Yes.
Okay.
So here you see here, like if you saw here, there is a type of relationship. You want to put start to start and put a lag on like 3 days, okay. And something here you will put start to start, and let us say you have gap of around another 3 more days, okay. And same thing here for the wall of the manholes. So this is and let us say 2 days, because we are just doing an example here.
Yes.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay, here is like start to start. It's another 2 more days. Okay, and the back peeling. So the moment you complete all the covers, so at least 3 manuals, you're going to do the back peeling. So you need more 3 days before you start the back peeling. Okay, that's it. And again, you have to schedule it. Okay, the moment you schedule, you're going to see the same thing here in what happened in the pipeline. Okay,
It's easy now.
you got it. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So here in galley installation, it's like simple. Yeah, it's same thing what we have done. Okay.
The first step is link. Okay.
Okay. So that's
Okay.
it.
After that, I will put. I understand what when you select, for example, excavation work. Here, automatically the next.
Yes.
Previous and next one.
Yeah.
Next activity. Okay.
So that's how it's easy.
Yes, very easy. Now,
So if you put in schedule it, you see. Okay. The next step is like here, like you have start to start, and here you have to start also here, and then you have another 3 more days to do it. Okay, and here like you have another 2 more days. Okay, and the sequence of the construction before you're gonna start the pipe installation and gullies. Okay, at least you have installed already your manholes.
Yes.
So it means the moment you've done your manholes, okay, so it means this work, excavation of the gullies, so you can link right there. Okay, let me show it to you. The manhole walls, so you can start doing your excavation. You look at here, you can long press the control.
Okay.
Okay. Previously, when you are doing all in same sequence, okay, in the sequence, you are putting shape, you are pressing shape. But now you can press control. You see, control and that one.
Okay.
Okay, and you can link the activity. You see the line there. Okay.
But this point, explain to me again this why you will do the relation between manhole wall and excavation wall. Yani you should finish manhole wall to excavate to start excavation.
The sequence is if you do the TDP, if you do the same time for the excavation, if you erect the manhole and you have the excavation for gullies, you don't have enough space to erect the position of the crane itself.
Okay.
There is no enough position to install the manhole.
Okay.
So at least you need to have a space to erect the manhole. Okay. And the position of the crane to be considered, because otherwise if you do the excavation, so there will be no space for the crane to erect the manhole.
Understand.
You got it?
Yes.
It's clear, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so if you're gonna click, if you're gonna schedule it, okay, you will see it will move after the
Okay.
schedule it. See?
Okay, between. Okay. But you will put the relation between finish to start or start to finish.
Where?
Here between this sequence to this activity, يعني between manhole cover between manhole wall and excavation work.
Yeah.
Which relation we will put? Finish to finish or finish to start?
At least finish to finish to start.
Finish to start.
Finish to start. Okay. And same thing here. Here actually, after the excavation there, okay, excavation of the line. Okay, you can start also the excavation of your manhole.
Okay.
So you can link that, because at least you will going to use the same equipment what you have. Okay. Here right click and right click. Okay, and link the activity. Okay. The moment you link, this will move over there. Okay. So schedule it. Okay. That's it. Easy, right?
Easy. Very clear now.
Now you have your schedule.
Yes. Very clear.
So that's all for today. So we're gonna continue this one, all the other activities. But I want you to do all this Paul Sewer, the same what we have done. Look at this.
Okay.
For Paul Sewer, pipe laying, manhole, house connection with a TSE. I want you to do it the same, put it in exercise.
Okay.
And let me check it by tomorrow or the after tomorrow.
Okay.
So hopefully, because here we're not gonna feel this one, because I'm gonna tell you how it is to work on it.
Okay.
So let's finish one row and feel for the Paul Sewer, the same what we have done for this, and I'm gonna show you a lot of things here in the other how we're gonna do it easy. Okay.
Okay.
So that's it, man. That's
Okay. Thank you.